Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing the source image with the finished edit. Open Lightroom Classic or Lightroom CC and make sure the target photo is visible in the same catalog or collection so copy actions work. Once done, decide if you want to copy every adjustment or only specific panels like basic, tone curve, or lens corrections. This matters because selective copying prevents unwanted presets from overriding local adjustments. Now select the source photo and get ready to invoke the copy command. You trigger copy settings using CMD or Ctrl+C, or right-click and choose Copy Settings. This opens the dialog where you pick panels. Select only the adjustments you need. For example, exclude crop or spot removal if those require per photo fixes. For multiple images, select all targets and use paste settings or choose sync settings to apply to a batch. This lets you confirm which sliders will transfer. Make sure auto sync is off unless you want continuous live updates across every selected photo. You now paste or sync settings and immediately inspect the target photo at 100% for exposure, color, and local tools like heal/clone which don't copy the same way. For batches, use sync with masking or range settings to adapt edits across varied exposures. If the settings didn't apply, check that both images are in the same catalog, confirm you have right permissions for XMP sidecars if using them, and make sure Lightroom versions match. Mismatched versions can prevent newer profile or tool transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.